Hey, it's Myers. I want to talk to you about one of my favorite records of all time. This is, for me, it's hard to rank records because I love so many of them. There's so many fucking great bands, and like I really, really can't be cornered or pigeonholed on what my favorite band is or what my favorite record is because there's so many that I love. But I would definitely put this record in one of my top 10 all-time favorites lists. And it is an early LA band called The Last. And this LA Explosion by The Last. As you can see, I've got coverware. It's, you know, you got ring wear here. I mean, I've had this record a long time. It's an old record. The back, we have lyrics, but again, you can see the ring wear just because it's so fucking old. And but I love this record. Like I said, early LA punk band. There was something going on in LA with like a power pop sort of scene that it wasn't. These guys weren't really punk, like these guys aren't punk in the sense of when you think of LA punk, you think of Fear and Germs and Black Flag and Adolescence and shit like that, the faster, louder, harder shit. These guys were part of this power pop scene that was going on, and there were great bands doing it, like the Quick and God, what was the name of that? I think they were called the Pop, that has a song called Down on the Boulevard. Great shit, but like they weren't punk per se, and like this kind of bled into bands like the Beat, and like if you're into the Beat, the genesis of the Beat kind of goes back to bands like the Quick and the Last, and but yeah, this fucking great record. I hope you guys could find one. It was out on Bomp Records. This is what the center label looks like. Bomp there at the bottom. Killer fucking record. Hope you can find one. I was going down a rabbit hole on Bandcamp and realized they had a new album out. Totally had no fucking clue. I got that last year. I'll do a video on that one. That I believe is still available. And like the one I got, I think there's a couple different versions. I got mine was on blue vinyl. I think there's a blue version and a black version. I could be wrong on that, but that album is just fucking good as this. And but this has been part of my life for so fucking long. I like I said, it's one of my top 10 favorite albums of all time. And so the song I'm going to play you off of this is called Walk Like Me. Check these guys out. Go on Discogs, find this in a used bin at your local record shop, and I hope you dig them. So if you like these videos, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. The song here is Walk Like Me by The Last.